Exactly. Bottom line, it's not how much, ito yung parating
Mm.
it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you save. Di ba, nakaka-save na. Pero it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you allocate and grow. So ngayon, yung pondo na yan, paano nagagamit ng maayos yan?
Yun lang din, isang difference sa government saka personal finance. Sa personal finance, pag malaking savings mo, maganda. Pag sa gobyerno, kailangan gastusin mo para makinabang yung
Yung taong bayan, of course.
So, nung first term ko, binawasan yung infrastructure spending.
Oh.
Ang reason behind that, kasi alam namin na yun yung pinakamalaking source ng corruption. Habang inaayos at nililinis namin, iwasan muna natin.
Exactly.
Meron pa rin, don't get me wrong, meron pa rin
Mm.
po. Pero yung malalaki, kunwari 300 million project, yan, wag muna.
Oo.
Next time na muna yan.
Tama.
Nung second term na yan, medyo nagsimula. Tapos
Mm.
siguro, kung papalarin magkaroon ng third term,
Mm.
ay dun na yung mas malalaki talaga. Kasi medyo confident na tayo na kaya natin gawin to ng maayos
Tama.
at malinis.
Mm.
Na walang natatapon na pera.